Every product manager has had that moment. 10 tabs open, 3 meetings running, and suddenly you can't remember what you're actually supposed to be doing. Because product management isn't one job, it's 5 jobs happening at the same time. And here's the part no one admits. 29% of people end up focusing on whatever feels the most urgent, not what actually moves the product forward. So in this video, we'll look at 5 AI tools that genuinely improve a PM's day and help them think clearer, plan faster, and ship with more confidence. First up is ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace built for product teams that want everything in one connected place. Most PMs bounce between docs, notes, screenshots, and backlog tools, and somehow the work still feels scattered. Inside ClickUp Docs, you can finally get one clean place to think, whether you're capturing research, grouping insights, or starting the first draft of your PRD. And once your notes start taking shape, things really level up, because ClickUp Brain steps in as your actual co-pilot, not a chatbot, but an AI assistant with the full context of your work ecosystem. So it understands your research, your specs, and the way your team works. ClickUp Brain pulls meaning from your notes, drafting PRD sections, writing acceptance criteria, tightening messy paragraphs, and giving you clean versions that actually sound like you. When you need to think visually, ClickUp whiteboards let you map flows, connect insights, and convert things into tasks instantly. No switching apps, no breaking your flow. As execution ramps up, ClickUp's AI agents take the repetitive work off your plate, creating subtasks from your PRD, drafting release notes, or pulling everything into a clean stakeholder update. And finally, ClickUp dashboards give you the full picture: progress, blockers, timelines, and what needs your attention right now. All updated without you building reports manually. From first note to final release, every step gets sharper with ClickUp. Another tool PMs rely on for early behavioral insights is H2O.ai. It uses your product data to build predictive models in minutes. You can forecast churn, identify high-risk segments, and surface early behavior shifts. It also flags anomalies across your funnels, spikes, drop-offs, or anything unusual. Just keep in mind, H2O.ai shines when you have enough data to train models, so smaller teams may not find it very useful. Next up is Notion. Great when you need quick summaries, action items, or a clean version of messy meeting notes. Its AI can turn long discussions into bullet points, extract next steps, or rewrite your notes so they're actually usable. You can also generate first draft docs, PRDs, fill-in summaries, or problem statements directly from your notes. And with synced databases, Notion keeps wikis, decisions, and pages organized without you rearranging everything manually. Just remember, Notion's AI sits on top of a note system, so for deeper product workflows, you may still need another tool. Our next tool is Jam AI, great for turning bugs into clear, ready-to-share reports in seconds. It captures console logs, network requests, and screen recordings the moment an issue happens. Its AI explains what went wrong, adds context, and drafts a clean summary you can send straight to engineering. You can also generate fix suggestions or convert bugs into a ticket for tools like ClickUp or GitHub. Just a heads up, Jam AI works best for front-end or browser-based issues, and deeper back-end problems still need engineering. Another tool PMs reach for when they need fast visuals is Canva. Its AI can generate mockups, diagrams, and UI placeholders from single prompts. You can also clean up assets, remove backgrounds, or resize designs for different channels instantly. Its real-time collaboration makes it easy for PMs and designers to iterate on launch assets without delays. Just keep in mind, Canva is great for speed, but it can't replace detailed design workflows or complex UI work. And those were our top picks for the 5 AI tools every project manager should know. From summaries to predictions to fast bug reports, these tools help you move faster across your entire workflow. But if you want one place to think, plan, document, and execute with AI built right in, ClickUp already has that covered. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to make product management simpler and a lot smarter, sign up today at ClickUp.com.